How fruits get their names. The name of many fruits are derived from foreign languages, both ancient and modern. Sometimes it is quite surprising to learn how certain names are derived. Word gooseberry has nothing to do with geese. It was originally Gooseberry. In Saxon, Gorst meant rough, and this berry got its name because it grows on a rough or thorny shrub. Raspberry comes from the German verb raspen, which mean to rub together or rub as with a file. The marks on this berry were thought to resemble a file. Strawberry is a corruption of strayberry, and was so named because of the way runners from this plant stray all directions. The cranberry was once called the craneberry because the slender stalk resembles the long legs and neck of the crane. The term grape is the English equivalent of the Italian grappo, and the Dutch and French grape, all which mean a bunch. Melon is the Greek word for apple. Tomato is the West Indian name for love apple. Botanists classify tomatoes as fruits. Horticulturists, however, classify them as vegetables. Most other people consider tomatoes to be vegetables because they are used in much the same way as many other vegetables. Thank you.